Relax your jaw, relax your shoulder. Thank you. Good.
Woo! Oh yeah.
Like I said, no other chiropractor was able to snap my neck like that.
I felt like that's what your body needed.
Yep. Well, we need more chiropractors like you guys. You guys are top notch.
Neck, mid back.
Yes.
You're having some jaw pain as well. How long has this been happening for you?
I've actually started off with a real sharp pain probably about 10 years ago with my left shoulder blade.
A whole decade ago.
Yeah. Other than that, most of it's just kind of upper back stuff. I had some lower back issues because 9 times out of 10 you are sitting down half of the time.
Okay.
Yeah. I do get headaches frequently now. Maybe once or twice a week.
That sounds pretty debilitating, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm actually vomiting.
That's pretty bad, man.
Yeah, try to put myself forward. First now. So yeah, I need to be able to take care of family and all that stuff. So if I'm not working, then
it's important. Yeah, you're the provider.
Yep.
And then a drop. Boom. Okay. We drop through here. Ooh.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
I needed that one.
Money.
Yes.
Good. You're gonna feel another drop.
Oh,
there you go.
Oh, yeah. Whew. That was a good one.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Relax your jaw, relax your shoulder. Thank you.
Oh.
Woo.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. Okay. How was that for you?
That was good. I like that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did that change for you in that moment?
I just felt an instant relief when you did that.
Yeah.
Yeah. It just.
We even got a release right at the setup.
Yes.
All good?
Yep. Thank you, sir. That was a good one.
There you go. Let the head fall. Right there.
Oh. Oh my God. I felt that on this side.
Yeah.
Oh. Yes. I needed that.
Damn.
I needed that one. I started watching them about 3 years ago, and just, finally got the courage to be like, hey, let's come over and get this done.
Let's come check it out.
Yep.
Little cherry on top.
All right.
Just to create that extra bit of space. Oh man.
Oh, I felt that all the way down there.
Oh, good.
That was like you said, cherry on top.
Yeah.
That was it.
This whole thing has been a journey for you.
Yes. I'm glad I came in.
Yeah.
You guys are top notch.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
Hey,
thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.